Morning. Let's just take this opportunity to tune inward. Allowing your awareness to make contact with your physical body, following the breath down and into the lower half of the body, your kidneys, your sits bones, your legs, and your feet. Just allowing that awareness to slowly drain activity down and through from the mind, from the emotion, down in and through the body. Our essence is something that no one understands. It's a mystery with a capital M. And even though no one understands it, our essence is inspiring to others. Inspiration can totally transform our lives. And so when we practice meditation in this way, we're becoming more and more aware of our essence on multiple levels of our being, on multiple dimensions of our being. You may find yourself in a situation where you are taking on more responsibility. And so we need a method, a practice that doesn't take us away from our responsibility, but helps us develop who we need to become to safely hold it. A practice like this where we're resonating with our essence physically and allowing our mind, our spirit, our emotion to slowly move through and digest in our body. And the body becomes a gateway or a portal for that essence into the world. And so practices like this help increase our internal fortitude, our strength as a container. Being able to hold our own inner space helps us to be able to hold space for others. And as we all know, you can't do something well for someone else that you don't do well for yourself. When we tune into our essence like this, we begin to transmit on different wavelengths that we have made contact or become in touch with these dimensions of ourself. And it's inspiring. And sometimes it might be uncomfortable. And so we need to develop the fortitude and the strength with which to hold our excitement as well as sometimes our discomfort. So taking time every day, learning to be with your dimensions of your being is like strengthening your will. So, thank you for joining me.